let's talk about one of the favorite, most popular and loved indicators among the traders, and I'm talking about the Ichimoku. Amazing creation, which could look like very complex at first. But once you dive deeper, once you understand what's going on, it's actually not that complicated. And moreover, it is one of these tools that tells the whole story. Like all-inclusive tool. You have everything inside based on its 5 components. It shows the trend direction, the momentum, I would even say some sort of a sentiment, and of course, dynamic support and resistance, which is based on the components that build the cloud. So there are many ways to combine Ichimoku in your trading. The most popular one, which traders love to use, is the simplest one, is first of all to understand the trend. And this is the cloud. There are 2 components that build the cloud. As the price is above the cloud, the trend is considered to be bullish, or the momentum is considered to be bullish. When the price is below the cloud, we are in a bearish momentum. In times also bearish trend. So first of all, where do you find the indicator? When you go to the indicator section, under the other sections, you would find the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. And the components of it, first, by default, it comes with the Tenkan-sen as 9, Kijun-sen and 26, and the Senkou Span B, which builds the cloud around the 52. So when you go to the lines, you can of course define how you would like them to look like, the style, and of course the thickness. I adjust the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen to yellow and purple just for the visibility, the visual. That's why you will see here white and purple, but you can choose the colors of your choice. Visibility on what time frames and chart types you will want to see that. And of course, if you would like to add any other levels, you can do that. So since I already have that, I just close the window. But when you click the OK, you would get the indicator on your chart. And once again, as the price goes above the cloud, the momentum is bullish. Below the cloud, the momentum is bearish. And traders love to combine the crosses of the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. Maybe I pronounce it more with an accent, but these 2 components give a beautiful crossovers, as you can see. And when they cross to the direction of the market, which is above or below the cloud, these are considered to be, as you can see, all here, the momentum's here, crossover, right? Also here, crossover. Here it's a touch, here it's a crossover. Above the cloud, it pushes the prices all the way to the upside. Another usage of this indicator, as it is used as a dynamic support and resistance, the cloud itself, or the components that build the cloud. And as the market progresses further, you can see the yellow line. Once the yellow line goes below the price, something starts to happen, and a retrace actually could shift. And once it does, look for the cloud as a dynamic support if it's under the market price, or dynamic resistance if it is above the price. So in our case here, the yellow line crosses below the price. That means a potential reversal coming. And once it does, look for the cloud as a potential target. And once the price is below the cloud and the yellow line goes above the price, look for the cloud as a potential dynamic resistance. So this indicator can help you to spot your opportunities in trend markets for early year reversal signs, and also predefine dynamic support and resistance. And the cloud will be always running in advance of the price, as you can see here, which could also give the understanding where the market could go if the reverse signs actually take place. Fantastic indicator, all at once gives a complete overview on the market at a glance.